Recording. Stop button. Screen locked.
So hello again guys, magandang araw dito. So welcome. So muli tayong nagbabalik sa pangalawang uploads. So sa una nating uploads ay in-upload natin yung Frequency Missing Part 2. So ngayon naman dito tayo sa Choice of the Thrill, kung hindi ko nagkakamali So gaya nga ng nilagay ko sa comment section na link, iba yung pangalan niya sa Play Store at iba din yon sa matapos mo nang ma-download, So iba yung pangalan niya sa Play Store kapag hindi mo siya na-download, at iba din yung na-download mo na. So parang kapag na-download mo ay biglang magbabago, So bago ko simulan sa part 2 sa Choice of the Thrill, pasensya niyo yung ilong ko kasi para akong sinisipon ngayon. Sa bago ko to simulan, so may na-discover ako sa games na to. Chinik ko sa library, kagaya ng una ninyong narinig about dito. So may chapter by chapter, chapter 1 to 5 yata dito, So kung gusto mo tong i-unlock, pwede mo tong ma-unlock lahat, So pwede mo tong ma-unlock chapter. So dahil ang free dito chapter 1, so so ang free dito chapter 1. So hindi ko lang alam kung kaya bang ma-unlock ang chapter 2 using chapter 1, kasi sa games na to, ang nalaman ko dati, kasi marami silang laro na kagaya nito. So ngayon parang folder, ginawa nilang folder. May zombie, may demo, may detective choice, may ganon, detective choice. Pasensya na talaga kayo sa ilong ko, medyo para akong sinisipon ngayon, kagaya nga ng narinig nyo, Saan na ba tayo? Marami silang laro, dati. Pero ngayon, ginawa lang nilang folder. So, kapag nag-download ka sa iba nilang laro, gaya ng Dungeon Decision RPG ba yun? Sa library, kapag tiningnan mo, may mga laro sila na nilagay doon, na pwedeng i-unlock using coins. So dahil pag-usapan naman natin yung unlock, check muna natin yung record.
5 record 00 hours 3 minutes 50 seconds. Recording 00 hours 3 minutes 53 seconds. Recording. Screen locked.
So dahil pag-usapan naman natin yung unlock, so ang kagandahan lang sa laro na to, kung gusto mong unlock yung by chapter, pwede kang makinig ng ads. Halimbawa, ads ng Shopee. Kapag nandito sa games na to, halimbawa lang ads ng Shopee o Lazada, kada pakinig mo ng ads, halimbawa yung ads ay may remaining na 20 seconds, matapos yung 20 seconds, automatic may 4 coins ka na, So pwede mo tong gamitin pang unlock ng chapter. So dinaload ko naman yung mga games nila dito ng Delete Games. May mga laro sila na pang premium. Ibig sabihin, part 1 parang okay pa. So part 2, kailangan mo lang mag-update to premium. So pang premium lang talaga, no? Yung iba nilang games na naka-folder dito. Pasensya na kayo sa ilong ko ngayon, no? So kaya ko pa namang salita dito, no? So kung gusto mong i-unlock yung by chapter, pwede kang makinig dito ng ads. Kada ads na mapakinggan mo, may 4 coins ka. So tinry ko siya kagabi at na-unlock ko nga yung yung chapter 2 dito. So dahil chapter 1 pa tayo, hindi pa tayo nakakalahati sa laro. Siyempre, hindi muna natin yun i-unlock. Pero tinry ko naman siya kagabi. So gumagana nga siya, no? Pero tandaan nyo to, no? By chapter, hindi pareho ang value ng kanyang coins. Halimbawa, i-unlock mo chapter 2, tapos kailangan mo ng 8 coins. Sa chapter 3, kailangan mo ng 16 coins. Halimbawa, para makuha mo yung 16 coins na kailangan mong muling makinig ng ads. So, kung gusto mo talagang makapag-unlock ng bagong chapter, so dapat ka talagang maghintay kung kailan matapos yung ads. Halimbawa, yung ads 5 minutes. So kailangan mo talagang maghintay, no? Pero seconds lang naman yung ads dito. Sa nakikita ko kagabi, seconds lang naman. So yung iba nga 4 seconds lang. Yung iba 28 seconds o 30. Yung iba 10 seconds lang. So hindi pa ako naka-encuentro dito ng 1 minutes o 3 ba o di kaya 5, no? So gusto niyo itong i-unlock sa chapter 2, pwede kayo makinig ng ads para magkaroon kayo ng reward coins sa inyong laro o dito sa Choice of the Trail. Pasensya niya na ilong ko, no? Kasi parang sinisipon yata ko ngayon, no? So sinabi ko to dito para sa mga hindi nakakaalam. Ito yung bago kong na-discoveryhan ngayon, o yung bago kong na-discover. So yun, no? Kung sana lang, no, lahat ng games ay ganyan lang, makinig ng ads, tapos okay na. So hindi lahat ganito, no? Kailangan mo talaga ng dolyar para makabili ng mismong laro o kalahati ng laro. So lalaroin natin to hanggang katapusan. So yung nakita ko chapter 5. So siguro hanggang chapter 5 tayo, pero by part na lang natin. So hindi ko lang alam kung ilang part ba tong chapter 1, no? Para mas marami tayong uploads. So ngayon, simulan na natin ang laro, no? Ang Choice of the Trail.
Tag but 00 hours, 9 minutes, 38 00 hours, 9 minutes, 41 recording. 00 hours, 9 minutes, 40 recording. Home button. Home screen, green 1 of 2. Choice games. Clock. Choice games. Choices. Choice calculator. Blind. Be my eyes. Camera. Choices of the trail. Contacts.
Teka lang.
Community. Lock. Chrome. Dungeons and decision. Clock. Chrome. Choices of the trail. Choices of the trail. Quick step. Choices of the trail. Welcome to the Oregon Trail. Instructions. Goal. Read. Make choices. Sit. Or progress is automatically bookmarked. Instructions. Goal. Read. Make choices. Sit. Or progress is automatically bookmarked. OK button. Playing offline prevents ads from showing. Or like bonus. Yes, ads can be annoying. They help pay the bills, and if you play online with ads, double your coin and luck rewards from achievements. Go without ads. Hope you enjoy our gamebooks. Happy reading/playing.
Okay.
OK button. Playing without OK button. Prequel.
Teka lang.
Screen locked.
Teka lang guys ah.
Go back. More options button. Prequel. I'm Michelle Kudoka. The moment my body slams into Nathaniel Drake's and I know we're going to land hard, I briefly consider a different action. Course. Then it's too late. And within a second or two I'm lying on top of him and we're both covered in mud. I've knocked the wind out of... More options button. Overview button. Clean. Recorder. 2:00 hours, 11 minutes, 55. Pause button.
So palit lang tayo ng speaker, no? Palitan natin to ng speaker, no? Kasi parang may ano yata, no? Hindi siya magbasa ng ano, kagaya ng narinig nyo, para siyang delay, sobrang delay, no? So palitan lang natin ng speaker. So pause muna natin yung record para mas maintindihan niyo yung kwento, no? Kasi kapag ito yung gagamitin ko, hindi siya medyo delay yung kanyang pagbasa. So pause natin.
00 hours, 12 minutes, and 45 seconds. Screen locked. Tap pause. Stop. Record. Pause button. Screen locked.
Okay, so dahil napalitan na natin. Ito kasing Bluetooth na to, Bluetooth speaker, so hindi siya delay. So yung pagbasa niya hindi kagaya kanina na medyo may pagka-delay. Yung ibang sentence sa story ay hindi binabasa o may delay, no? So simulan na natin.
10:08. Stop recording.
So delay to, pero
View button. Recent clean 2.3 recorder. Settings. Choices of the trail. Choices of the trail.
okay.
Library. More options button. Morale 3 Moxie 0. Prequel by Michelle Kudoka. The moment my body slams into Nathaniel Drake's and I know we're going to land hard, I briefly consider a different action. Of course, by then it's too late. And within a second or two I'm lying on top of him and we're both covered in mud. I've knocked the wind out of him, but I'm not about to let him get up now. Not without an apology. Quotation mark. Say you're sorry. I scream into his red, mud-splattered face. By now, everyone in our little one-room class has gathered around us, almost half and half boys and girls, each rooting for their respective side. I know I have about 30 seconds before Mids. Birch hears the commotion and comes and separates us. Quotation mark. I won't. He spits back at me. You deserved it. I grab a fistful of mud and hold it threateningly over his face. He opens his mouth in shock and then quickly clenches his lips closed. Understanding my intention. He refuses, shaking his head. Teachers come in. Meredith hisses from directly over my shoulder. Best let him go, but not until he's sorry, I mutter, leaning closer, digging my left elbow into Nathaniel's chest and slowly opening my right, wet, mud-filled hand over his face. It takes 2 droplets onto his cheek before he squirms and risks opening his mouth. I'm sorry, He cries, and you won't do it again, I say, raising an eyebrow. Quotation mark. I swear it, he says, his eyes wide. Meredith puts her hand on my arm and helps me get up. Instead of dropping the mud into the ground next to me, I throw a handful at Nathaniel's chest. It lands with a satisfying plop just as Miss Birch rounds the corner. Bethesda. I turn and give a sheepish look, knowing I must look an absolute fright with mud splattered all over my front half and one of my braids dripping with ink down the back of my school dress. She blinks for a second and then straightens, remembering the rest of her students standing around us. Get in the schoolhouse, she commands. I follow Meredith with a glare at Nath. Annual, but Miss Birch won't let me go that easily. No, I'm not through with you, she tells me, holding her hand up. But what about Nathan M dash? Quotation mark. I saw you getting up while Nathaniel was on the ground. I saw you throw mud at him. I didn't see Nathaniel do anything. I held up my braid. He put my hair in the inkwell. She stares at me. Then I will deal with him accordingly. That doesn't give you a right to act so, heathen-like. She purses her lips. Quotation mark. A lady never behaves in such a way. She begins, and I know I'm in for a lecture I've heard before. I look down at my feet, knowing she'll take it as repentant, even though my face is twisted in annoyance underneath my muddy mussed-up hair. Last week, Nathaniel pushed William into the ground over a game of sticks and stones, and both of them only got a slap on the wrist. It definitely wasn't fair. When I drop my braid back, and I hear the wet slap against my dress and feel the wet spot from the ink, I gnash my teeth together. Nathaniel can go home and wash his muddy shirt and trousers, and tomorrow they will be as though they were just sewn. My dress, however, I know Ma will make me scrub, and I'll never get rid of that ink stain. Miss Birch has the nerve to lecture me on ladylike behavior. When Nathaniel has ruined my church dress, she drones on about appropriate responses to Nathaniel's behavior, but she's losing her mind if she thinks ignoring him was going to be the answer, and besides, everyone knows she's sweet on his father, so it doesn't matter what I did. She'd still side with him M dash. She stops abruptly and I realize I said that last part out loud. Is that so, Bethesda? She asks me, expression darkening. Quotation mark. I believe we've said all we need to say on this matter, and you should be on your way home. But school isn't over yet, I protest. I know showing up at home before I'm expected won't bode well for me. We haven't gone through the arithmetic assignment. She crosses her arms off her chest. Arithmetic is the least of your worries, Miss Wilkinson. It seems you do much better with lessons on controlling your tongue. With that, she turns and disappears into the schoolhouse. I stand in the schoolyard for a minute, wondering if I should head straight home or go down to the creek and wait until the right amount of time has passed. Right now, PA would be coming in from the fields for his lunch, and Ma would be preparing her jams or helping Eliza with her own studies. My early arrival would not go unnoticed, and I would definitely need to explain myself. However, if I waited around somewhere and came home at the usual time, I could probably put this whole event behind me. What should I do?
So, pabagalan lang natin, no? Medyo mabilis siyang mag-deliver. Tika lang.
By Michelle Kudelka. Morale. More options button. Prequel. Accessibility volume 93. 100. D. GF. Default.
Okay. Ito 70.
Go straight home. Button.
So, ito yung mga pagpipilian, no? Go straight home.
Wait a bit. Wait a bit. Button.
So, wait a bit. Kung hindi ko nagkakamali, no?
Words. Word. Characters. Words. Wait. Capital A. Bit.
Wait a bit, no?
Default.
So, ito yung mga pagpipilian. So, try natin yung wait a bit.
Wait a bit. Go straight home.
So,
Button.
So, ito palang isa. Go straight home.
Prequel.
Okay.
Wait a bit. Button. Prequel. Wait a bit. Button.
So, try natin tong wait a bit, no?
There's no way I'm... Continue button. There's no way I'm going to tell Ma and PA about this if I don't have to. I don't feel like explaining myself, and I have a feeling they won't believe me anyway. I decide a dip in the creek might help the ink out of my hair, at least. It's a muggy day, and the cool water will be welcome.
So, continue natin, no?
Continue button. Continue button.
Okay.
It's a 15-minute walk from the schoolhouse to the creek. Morale. More morale. 3 Moxie. It's a 15-minute walk from the schoolhouse to the creek. The ground is muddy no matter where I walk, and I find it satisfying to push my boots down with each step, letting the ground squelch and slurp around me. Eventually, I reach the brush and then the trees around the creek. Beads of sweat formed along my hairline. I don't bother to undo my braids, but I slip my dress off and inspect the ink stain on the back. There is no way I can hide this, and I know Ma will be upset that I've ruined my best dress. Well, that Nathaniel ruined it, I remind myself. I didn't do anything, no matter what Ms. Birch thinks. I dipped the stained fabric into the creek. but it's clear that the ink has set and will not budge. Sighing, I lay it on a rock so it'll dry, and slide into the cool water myself. I don't go very deep, just enough that I can sit on the bottom and the water touches my neck. My braids drift on the water surface around me, and I move my fingers along the black strands at the tips. It isn't perfect, but some of the ink does come off onto my hands. I close my eyes and let the sun warm my face. When it's dipped a bit further into the sky, I know it's the right time to head home. My dress is dry, but naturally, my undergarments require a bit more time. I stay along the creek in the forest line, knowing the likelihood of running into anyone as they head home from school is slim. And I'm right. I don't run into anyone on their way home from school. I do, however, hear voices ahead after a few minutes, and as they head closer to me, I duck behind a bush and hold my dress tightly to my chest, careful not to draw any attention. The voices continue, and I realize I recognize one of them. I resist the urge to peek over the shrubs when my sister Eliza's soft cadence drifts my way. I don't know the second voice, but I do know it's a man, and that alone is enough to spark my curiosity. My family, she's saying. I don't know if it's the right time or lies. The mysterious man interjects, and my ears flash hot at the informal name he gives her, the name I give her. If you don't feel like it's the right time, I'll wait. I furrow my brow, quotation mark. But I don't think you should let others determine your time to marry. My stomach flips. Eliza, Mary, who is this man? I bite my lip to keep from bouncing to my feet and revealing myself. In more ways than one, I think, remembering my soaked undergarments and my dress pressed against my body. Eliza keeps ho-humming and the man argues with her. It doesn't sound like when I argue with Nathaniel, though, but rather gentle, like Ma and PA disagreeing about the future and murmurs in their bed underneath the loft I share with my sister. There's a warmth to it that I don't like. Suddenly, I realize it's gotten quiet, as I've been muttering in my own head, and now I can't resist peeking out. Continue button.
So, continue lang.
Music volume 90. It's a 15-line. Continue button.
Teka lang. Okay.
It's a continue button. Continue button. Continue button.
Okay. Continue natin.
Immediately regret. Morale. 3 Moxie. 1. Music volume 1. I immediately regret it. Morale. 3. I immediately regret it. I don't believe what I'm seeing, but there it is my sister, locked in a romantic embrace with that older man. I've seen him at church some Sundays, and once in the general store. I had no idea Eliza was interested in him or anyone. Yet, here she is kissing him. My whole body flushes hot, and I duck back down behind the bushes. Finally, they say goodbye, and I frown at the dreaminess in Eliza's voice. She turns toward town, and I give her a few minutes head start before making any noise in the brush. I don't care that my underclothes are still wet, and I wrench my dress over my head. My plan was to get home when I normally would, but thanks to this new development, I'll be getting home about half an hour later than if I'd been in school all day. Ma will be irritated if I'm behind on my chores. I break into a run, so by the time I come over the hill with our cabin on the horizon, sweat is dripping down the side of my face and my dress is wet where it's tightest against my underclothes. Bean Sprout, where's the fire? I skid to a stop and turn toward the voice. PA is sidling toward me, scythe over his arm, a bemused look on his face. Inside, with Ma, if she notices how late I am, I say with a sigh. He smirks. What kept you? I consider telling him the truth and at least a half-truth. I was at the creek, and I lost track of time and he wasn't as strict as Ma, and I know he wouldn't ask me 1,000 questions. Instead, I decide to come up with something better, just in case he was tempted to tell Ma on me. I stayed after school to help Ms. Birch clean up, I say, pushing the wet hair off my forehead. He raises an eyebrow and smirks. Quotation mark. Did you fall into a pail of water? He gestures to the damp patches on my dress where the undergarments have soaked through. I ran all the way home when I realized how delayed I was. I offer. I know he can tell the wetness on my dress is more than sweat, but he drops it with a grin. I don't know if he would mind my dip in the creek, but I know I could expect an earful if Ma found out even if I hadn't been late. You shouldn't be stripping down to your undergarments in public, Beth. You're not a child anymore, she'd scold. You better get inside then. I know she expects you to get the butter going, PA says, nodding toward the cabin. Great, I think. I hate better day. I'm in no mood to sit on the porch on this muggy hot day and churn until my arms are numb. I push past PA, forgetting about the ink on my back. Biff, he starts, and I can hear the amusement in his voice. I stop and turn around. Quotation mark. What happened to your dress? I don't bother lying. It's purely Nathaniel's fault that I'm in this situation. Nathaniel Drake dipped my braid into his inkwell, I say, raising my chin. Quotation mark. Why did he do that? He asks, sighing. It's as if he thinks the boy needed a reason to do it. As if I goaded him. Why else? He hates me and wanted to ruin my day. PA opens his mouth but promptly closes it, looking off to the cabin. Quotation mark. I'm going to leave this one up to Ma, though I'm not going to tell her. He walks off with a pointed look, and I'm grateful he won't rat me out. I know I won't be lucky enough to get the same reaction from her. I wonder if I can change into my other dress without her seeing, though climbing the ladder to my loft won't be easy. Continue button.
So,
Review button. Recent clean up. 2 choices of the recorder. Recording 00 hours, 25 minutes, and 59 seconds. Screen locked.
so dito muna tayo, no? Yeah. Okay. So may ano lang, no? May ginawa lang, no? Kaya bigla tayong nawala, no? Sa ating record. So dito muna tayo mag-stop o mag-stop sa pag play, no? Kasi puro continue lang yung nakita ko. So susunod, next time ay ituloy natin, no? Yung Choice of the Thrill Part 3. So dito ko na lang tatapusin ang ating updates o ating uploads sa Choice of the Thrill. So bago ko putulin, sa mga hindi pala nakapag-subscribe, so pwede kayo mag-subscribe para sa iba pang mga videos o sa iba pang mga games na ating i-upload coming soon. So yun lang siguro, no, ang ating updates tungkol dito, no. So maraming salamat nga pala sa mga nag-views, no. So alam ko medyo marami-rami din yung nag-views. 15. So salamat sa 15 na nag-view sa part 1 pa lang, no. So sana sa part 2 may mag-views o may mag-views pa rin, no. So sa part 1 natin may 15 views o 15 viewers. So sana sa pangalawa nating uploads ay may mag-views na naman, no. Sa mga mahilig dyan sa games, so pwede kayo mag-subscribe dito sa ating munting channel. So sa mga ano pala, no, sa mga may alam, teka lang,
26 to tap pause button. Tap 00 hours, 29 minutes. Tap pause button.
So ipopost muna natin to, no? Kasi i-disconnect ko muna to, no? Para mas maganda, no? Post muna natin. Okay, so tuloy natin, no? Bago ko putulin yung ating video, so sa mga may alam pala sa ibang laro, no, welcome kayo mag-comments dito. So yung link na sa mga bagong laro, mabago man yung laro o manumang laro, so welcome, basta hindi compatible, no? Alam nyo naman siguro yung ibang cellphone ngayon ay mahilig pumili ng mga application. So nagkaroon siya ng compatible, ibig sabihin hindi siya ma-install. So kaya kung may alam kayong bagong laro, so pwede kayo mag-comments dito yung link. So pwede nyong ilagay sa comment section para mabasa at matry nating ma-download at try nating o ma-try natin siyang ma-upload coming soon. So yun lang siguro, no, sa araw na ito. Yun lang yung so hanggang dito na lang yung ating videos, no. So ulitin ko lang, kung hindi ka pa naka-subscribe, so please to subscribe to my small YouTube channel. So para palagi kang updated, i-hit mo na din yung bell icon para palagi kang ma-notify sa ating mga bagong upload at mabigyan ka ni YouTube ng notification kung may bago tayong upload na kagaya nito. So yun lang, and maraming salamat sa inyong suporta at pakikinig. Hanggang sa muli nating pagkikita dito sa ating channel o sa aking small YouTube channel na Blind Gamer Beats. Okay mga ka-gamer, so dito ko na tatapusin ang ating upload session o ang ating Choice of the Trail upload session. So hanggang sa susunod mga kaibigan.